What's up, guys? It's Tony here with Auto Glass Masters in Temecula. What we have here is a theft job. 2013 Honda Civic. Somebody busted the window, took some items out. We're just gonna make this better for the customer, put in a new glass, get them back their sense of security, and make it better for them. So we're gonna put you on the time lapse. You can watch the whole process. Don't forget to check us out if you have any rock chips or cracks or anything like that. We're honestly just here to help. All right, guys, so the Civic is done. Glass is back in there. Vehicle can be secure now. Everything worked out great. Regulator was still intact. Love it when it comes together like this. This in mind, if you guys have any glass needs, you know where to bring it. Auto Glass Masters Temecula. We'll do you right.